Hello, this is Giuseppe Conti. I'm the founder of Conti Advanced Business Learning. I talked with a number of professionals that attended one of my negotiation and influencing workshops. Let's listen to their insights.
I think my favourite trick from the negotiation was not having to rush in and make an urgent decision, but actually to take the time to process and pause and reflect and then come back to the table, not feel an urgency to make a decision.
The first one is for sure the dual vision. I try to always understand which is the other party position, and the second, start even more asking questions.
My favorite tricks are laying within preparation stage, so I prefer to have a list of giveaways that I may exchange with another party for something which is valuable to me. So I actually try to use it in any negotiation I have, and it doesn't take quite a lot of time to prepare.
I think I've always considered that in negotiations, both credibility and creativity are two really essential attributes. But I think probably what the last couple of days have shown me is that you can still play the negotiating game without compromising on that credibility aspect. So actually implementing some of the strategies and solutions that we've learned over the last couple of days, and doing so in a way which still leaves the other party believing that you're a trustworthy negotiating partner, but also leverages some of the advantages that those strategies can deliver. I think that's probably my biggest takeaway from the last 2 days.
I always believe that body language was incredibly important, which has been reaffirmed in the workshop, understanding the different techniques that parties may use in negotiations. So that's something that for me has been reaffirmed and one that I will look out for much more in future negotiations.
I would say this is about how we perceive negotiation itself. Sometimes we expect that would be more discussion, and sometimes we forget about that this is about active listening, some preparation that should be done if we want to make it more effective, assigning roles within our team. So there are very good things that may help us to make our negotiations more effective.
Hello, I hope you got some inspiration from the comments from those professionals. For more articles and videos on negotiation and influencing, check our website www.cabl.ch. Thank you.